fond of doing small mechanic projects all by yourself? If yes, then AOBEN is surely your wisest choice. The toolkits offered by the brand make your home projects effortless, easy, and exciting. The set of electric ratchet wrenches offered by the brand is fine-crafted to help you with removing or installing nuts and bolts in a jiffy. Whether it is a simple pair of nuts and bolts or a complicated mechanism under the hood of your car, you would require a set of spanners handy. Here comes the use of an electric ratchet wrench, which acts as a smart replacement for the conventional spanners, thereby reducing your manual work to a great extent. The chargeable toolkit is surely a wonderful addition to your gadgets for repairs. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 12 volts High Performance Max Motor. The powerful 12 volts max motor is made to deliver up to 40 ft-lbs torque for higher fastening speed. Number 2. Ergonomic Handle. The ratchet wrench has a good grip, so you can work with it even in odd positions without the fear of the tool slipping away from your hand. Number 3. Fast and flexible. The ratchet works in a clockwise direction swiftly, which in turn helps you loosen or tighten the nuts quite easily. Number 4. Compact and organized toolbox. You can keep all the pieces of the gadget well arranged in this compact toolbox at their respective designated places. Number 5. Fast charger and 2 batteries. The ratchet wrench comes with a set of 2 long-lasting and rechargeable 12 volts lithium-ion batteries and a 60-minute fast charger. Number 6. Superior fastening speed. Ratchet wrench set superior fastening speed. Produces 280 revolutions per minute with a variable speed trigger for excellent control. Number 7. LED lighting. LED light on the front of the unit, lighting the workplace for you in the dark. Lights on the side of the unit will let you know how much power you have left. Number 8. Switch and heat sinking. Backward switch on the back of the head prevents accidental actuation. An air-cooled motor with strong heat sinking capability can stabilize the working temperature of batteries. Number 9. Satisfaction guaranteed. If you decide to do yourself a favor and purchase this premium electric ratchet wrench, we want you to feel safe with your purchase. That's why we stand behind our product by offering you a 100% money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.